Alright, in this video it's just going to be a review on these Maxxis Desert IT tires. I got a set for the free ride bike, the freestyle bike, and I've had these tires for about a year now on this bike. Granted, I haven't ridden this bike a whole shit ton in the 1 year I've had these tires on this bike, but they have held up very well. I haven't even had to rotate them yet, just flip them around the other way. The fronts are still like new, and granted I am just riding over mostly hard pack with it. I did not session a bunch of, did a lot of ramp sessions this past year, maybe just 3 or 4 times, but even so you think that, and the metal grating on the ramp would tear up these tires a little more than what you'd see here, but they're doing really good, very well. I highly recommend Maxxis. They stay focused entirely on dirt, and their quality has not lost at all. In fact, I put a set on my trail bike / desert bike that I use to ride cross country, open trails, everywhere except for big jumps. And I've only put probably a few rides on those tires, but I mean, they're still like new. Very impressive. Maxxis is a good brand. Love Maxxis. I'm going to continue to run these guys for sure. 100%. For damn sure. Hell yeah, Maxxis. Keep up the good work.